Hey everybody, this is Brennan at Conquest Classic Cars here in Greeley, Colorado. Really excited to bring this gorgeous 1974 Ford Bronco to market. This in particular is a extremely well-built, thoroughly restored example. Virtually no expense spared in this one. It's a really, really well-done truck. It benefited from a full, complete frame-off nut and bolt restoration about 9 years ago in Tennessee. The work was done by a company called Crawler's Edge, very well known in the vintage Bronco community. They do full fabricated chassis, whole 9 yards. Yeah, and this one was definitely a good rolling resume of the quality and the caliber of work that they do. And the list of features on this one just goes on and on and on and on. It's got full custom suspension. The frame is completely stripped, redone. The floor is coated. It's got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, brand new Crate 302 motor under the hood. It just is an endless list of benefits and features, and just shows how much care was put into this build. You can see also it's presented in this very nice kind of turquoise over white, very period correct, very proper for one of these first gen Broncos. As we're kind of doing our walk around here, there are just like a couple cosmetic flaws worth pointing out. This is one of them. There's just a little bit of a scuff there. That might buff out. We have not tried, I will tell you up front. But just to be aware, that's one of very few flaws here as we make our way around and see just how nice it presents on top of all those mechanical upgrades that have been done. You can see the very subtle Crawler's Edge kind of hallmark there on the back tailgate, behind this really nice hydraulic powered swing out spare tire mount on the back. Now, all this work was done under current ownership. They've put only about 950, a little bit less than 950 miles on it since all that work was completed. So all in all, for whatever it's worth, it's as close to a brand new build as you can possibly get. Coming into the interior, doors open with a nice satisfying click, and you can see it's got that kind of off-white ivory leather interior. It's got the full family roll cage. Goes the length of the cabin and then down behind the rear seats. It's got that aftermarket wood steering wheel. There's that retro radio, along with the routing for the air conditioning. Underneath there are also side vents on both seats in the cabin. And just in case I forgot to mention it already, this is also a 5-speed truck, which very rare, very desirable. A lot of these Restomods are not equipped with 5 speeds, so this one really kind of makes it stand out. But we're very excited to be able to represent this one. It's live on Bring a Trailer right now, so feel free to ask any questions. Let us know any additional thoughts if you have any requests for other photos or videos. Before I let you go, I'll open up that hood and we can take a look at that 302. And here we are under the hood of the 74 Bronco. You can see that brand new 302. Braking system, the air conditioning, power steering pump, all very neatly and cleanly tucked into this engine bay. Looks just as good underneath the hood as it does on the outside. Just a beautiful truck that's so thoroughly done. We're big vintage 4x4 people here at Conquest. We love these Broncos, love International Scouts, the original Wagoneers, stuff like that. We deal with these all the time, and man, this has to be one of the nicest I've ever seen. Certainly one of the nicest, like, stock, very faithfully done trucks. Thank you so much for checking out this 74 Bronco. As I said, it is live on Bring a Trailer right now, and please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Either leave a comment on the listing down below or hit that contact seller button to reach out to us. We'll be sure to get back to everybody before time runs out on this sale, but I promise you, you won't be disappointed. If you're a Ford guy, vintage 4x4 person, you know, collector of those types of vehicles, this is one you're not going to want to miss out on. Thanks so much. This is Brennan at Conquest Classic Cars. We'll see you in the next video.